Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you the top 5 winning products to sell in December 2025. These are hot, trending and proven products perfect for Shopify dropshipping this holiday season. So it is great for beginners and pros alike. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So first product I'm going to discuss about that is heated gloves. So here I'm going to search for heated HEATED gloves. So here you can see this one, heated gloves. Let's search for gloves, and here actually it is. So you can see that in here. So why it is hot in December is equal to cold weather in many countries. So heated gear is in a huge demand for outdoor lovers, bikers and workers. So let's say if I go to the Google Trends, and here if I search these heated gloves, in here you will identify the trends. It increase in, like I will change it to the worldwide. Let's search for worldwide. So here I will give this, and I will just click to the Explorer, and then I will change the country into the worldwide. And for last 5 years you will able to see that it is a summer product, and when the month December came or arrives, you can see that the trend began up state. So I hope you understand that heated gear is in huge demand for outdoors lover, bikers and workers in December actually. So you can see in 25 that December was peak, and then suddenly it rise down frequently. So here you already understand how amazing that is, and the targeted audience will be for you the outdoor workers, hikers, elderly people and delivery drivers. So you already get this specific audience for you. And the marketing angle, if you want to run any ads for you, like it's to want in freezing temperature, you can use that headline. Then you can shoot thermal imagery or before after shots for you. Then the price range, you can buy for $15 to $20 per month and sell for at least $39. Here you can see the price in AliExpress, like you are doing drop shipping, so you just need to find it out as US dollar. So here if I search for heated gloves in here again, and let's search it, and here actually you can see the price is like around $8, and the best one is $15, but you can sell it for $39 per person, and you will get almost $20 profit. So let me give a pro tip that bundle with other winter gear like heated socks or Viennese, so it will be a great thing for you. Now the second product I am going to talk about, that Christmas LED string light. So here let's search Christmas LED string light. Here you can see it, that it is only 1 cent, it is $10, $20, $2, so it is really cheap or affordable. So in the Christmas, people decorate their house with that product, that LED light. Why it is hot product in for the dropshipping in December? So LED string light are always bestseller in December, because in December the Christmas happen. So here you can see the trend. So you will understand that in December the sale goes to the peak, and into the 25 or 24 you can see that similar happen in here. Type to sell, like you can sell curtain lights, copper free lights, remote control RGB lights, and the targeted audience for you is home owners, moms, party planners, TikTok aesthetic fans. And marketing angle will be, you can say that transform your space for the holidays, or you can use short videos with cozy room lighting. The pricing I already mentioned, it is start like buy for $5 and you can sell around $19 per person. And the product offer multiple color options and promote limited stock for holidays. So I hope you understand what will happen if you sell this Christmas LED string light. Now the third product I am going to mention, that is electrical or electric neck massager, like electric neck massager. Here you can actually see it. So the price is literally $3, $4, and the best or the best one is around $37, and majority are affordable for anyone. So why it is actually I mentioned in here, because it's a gifting season and this is a great stress relief product. Viral potential on TikTok and Instagram. You can see the trend in Google Trend also. So here you can see it. So it is always in the trend. Sometimes it drop, but sometimes it rise. So it is a flexible one. So you can start work with that. That the targeting audience for you is office workers, parents, and elderly, and gift buyers. And the marketing angle, you can say that it is for relax after a long day. Show how it works in 15 to 13-second demos. And the price range is around $10, I already mentioned, and you can sell around $34 to $59. It is an amazing one. Let me give a pro tip that create a bundle offer, like buy one get 50% off the second. So it may be a quick work for you to get your real sell on your product. Now in the number 4 product I'm going to mention, that is smart star projector. That is an amazing hot product right now. So why actually it is hot? It is an amazing gift for kids, teens, and couples. Viral during December due to cozy buys. So here you can see the trend actually. So you just need to research and you will see that in the month of let's go over here. You can see into the month of December it arises, and the trend sometimes go rise, sometimes only in zero. So it is not a trendy product, so it's sometimes works, sometimes not. The feature you will get in here, that it will come with Bluetooth speaker, Galaxy projections, and remote control. And the targeted audiences are brands, gamers, aesthetic lovers, and marketing angle. Bring the night sky into your room and use dark room videos with relaxing music. And the price range, you can see it's come around 35 to 36, or you can get only 41 if you want looking for the best one, though it's totally up to you though. So you can sell it for around 80 or $85. So the targeted audience you will find out into the TikTok or Instagram reels, and short dreamy visuals is equal to high engagement. So you just need to remember that one. And the last product I'm going to mention, that is personalized name necklace. So here you can see personalized gift or name, and in here I will change it to name necklace. Here you can see the keyword. So you can sell it for around $10 to $29. Like personalized gifts are trending massively every year. Apple's to gift gifts looking for unique options, and it is customizable, like names, initials, date, birthstones. And the targeted audience are women, couple, teens, or moms. A marketing angle will be a gift they will never forget. Emotional storytelling work based, so gifting moments. And the price range here, you can see only $1 to cent you will get in here. So you can promote a delivery before Christmas, guarantee use POD or local suppliers in here. It is an amazing one. You can see the trend here. It is always in an uptrend. So if you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.